Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nopryan Ekadinata from the School of Nursing, Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta in Indonesia. Today we will present our finding from the community service program entitled Utilizing a Workshop Model with Lectures and Role Play to Initiate Community-Based Health Screening for Older Adults in a Rural Region in Indonesia. At the beginning, the number of older adults in Indonesia already reached 11% in 2022. However, this projection or this percentage followed by the issue related to the multi-morbidity, depression, malnutrition, and barriers to visiting healthcare. This phenomenon also we can call it as a geriatric syndrome or the health issue in older adults. And actually, since 2017, WHO already developed the framework of integrated care for older peoples, and Indonesia already adopt in 2023. This is quite new program. That's why not all of the region Indonesia already implemented this framework. And S.Kep, or the integrated care for older people, involves or encourage the community involved in the screening for the older adults' health. And that's why we prepare this program using the lectures and role play, because previous study mentions these combinations of the methods or the workshop can enhance the health capacity. And in our program, we involve 26 of caregivers in a rural area. We prepare the lectures, role play in the workshop, and the workshop explain about the knowledge how to caring the older adults in the aspect of the diet, chronic disease issue, management of the cognitive functions, and physical immobility. And we also train the older adults caregivers to perform or to implement, to conduct the intrinsic capacity, or to know how to measure, how to screening the cognitive functions, vision hearing functions, or is there any issue related to the depressions or nutritions in older adults. And after the sessions, after the 2 days or 2 sessions of the workshop, we found the increasing of knowledge level of the older adults. The scores was increased from the mean score 16 to the 18 after the interventions. And after the workshop, the caregivers or the family of the older adults can conduct or have the ability to do the screening of the S.Kep or IC or intrinsic capacity, like they know how to measure is there any cognitive function decline, is there any problem related to the malnutritions and the depressions in older people. And we also find the activity can enhance the motivation by family to conduct the geriatric health screening. This is the documentations of our program. We also prepare the website. After the program or the workshop finished, the community can still also access our education materials, the video how to conduct the screening of the older adults' health. And in conclusions, the ability of community, even they have no background from the health education, can be enhanced, and they can monitor their health conditions of their family or older adults in their households. And we also find that the capacity building program using the combinations of the lectures and role play can improve the knowledge and capacity of caregivers using the S.Kep measurements. And the capacity building program can increase the family motivation to monitor their health or their older adults' health. And the project was supported and funded by Lembaga Pengabdian Masyarakat UMY. Thank you UMY. UMY ada, masyarakat berdaya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.